is it normal for men to forget to carry food for a river cookout? Now you tell me. I thought the chaotic prep of a previous adventure was because we left the planning up to the men. This trip, with my married friends, imagine when I heard part of why we left Kingston late was because someone forgot the meat.
Late, but has to get coffee.
Remember that you have a coffee at the top. Let me just...
Like, you know what, at this point.
Yeah.
So we only have one thing left to do, and I pick up Chrissy and I call her right now.
Left out about an hour late after a couple quick stops. To me, it was like deja vu, just with different men.
So what wanna go eat?
They'll take charge of the cooking, but the prepping and packing, different stories. Sunning Hill seems like a quiet farming community in the elevations of St. Thomas, Jamaica. A part of the running river has been dubbed Unruly River, a favorite hangout spot for the community's famous native dancehall artist Popcaan. Unruly is the name of his entertainment camp. This river has multiple accessible swimming areas. It can have a certain stillness. The quiet community setting, the sound of birds, and the gentle water flow. Even with the endorsement of a renowned native dancehall artist, Unruly River seems to be a calm, chill spot, peaceful enough for a quick afternoon getaway. The men got to grilling, while we ladies provided very, very important moral support.
So I want to tell. What? Winging it.
Exactly. Bread. A hot grotto.
You ready? Put some.
In between cooking, tasting, and feasting, we spent much of the afternoon reconnecting with our inner childhood while splish-splashing and skipping stones on the water.
El Tipo.
This was a delightful afternoon with friends, and the first of a proposed quarterly river party this year.
Hot daddy! Hot daddy! This is why I'm not going in the kitchen.
We've done a river cookout each year for the past 3 years. The gaps were never meant to be that far apart, but you know how it is trying to get trips out of the group chat sometimes. A road trip with the crew, cooking and eating together, plus the rejuvenation of cool river water is a recipe for a great day.
I'm so busy. Man, I'm full.
Would you and your friends do this in Jamaica? You can learn more about Unruly River and other trip-worthy destinations in Jamaica and beyond at www.simplylocal.life. Happy travels!